Hello guys, good evening. Today's stock market end of the day analysis. Subscribe to our channel for more updates. Index snapshot. COVID-19 has started to hunt investors again. The Indian equity market suffered huge losses in intraday trade on April 12th. Today Nifty 50 index closed 3.53% lower at 14,310, while the benchmark index Sensex ended down 3.44% at 47,883. Some of the sector performance here. Nifty PSU Bank down by 9.26%, Nifty Media sector down by 8.10%, and Nifty Realty sector down by 7.50%. Top 5 F&O gainers and losers. Dr. Reddy giving more weightage to top 5 F&O gainers, followed by Lalpath Lab, Cipla and Divi's Lab, where losers are BHEL, India Bull Housing Finance, DLF and Tata Power. Results on 12th April. We are selecting companies based on their market capitalization. Today, Tata Consultancy Service announced their quarterly result. Dividend and bonus stocks. These are the companies yet to issue their dividend on 15th April. KSB Limited announced 8.50 per share. Some of the stock splits are Finolex Industries Limited announced in the ratio 10:2. Small note here, if you have to be eligible for this dividend, which is yet to be issued on 15th April, you should have purchased these shares 13th itself. IPO information. Upcoming IPO. Company name Kuberan Global Education Solution Limited, Industry Educational Institutions. Offer price is 20 rupees. Open date is 20th April and close date is 27th April. Market information. Indian shares tumble more than 3% and the rupee hit an 8-month low on Monday as a relentless surge in COVID-19 cases and possible lockdown by a large state threatened to derail recovery in Asia's third largest economy. Finally, the Sensex closed with a loss of 1,700 points, while Nifty settled lower of 524 points. Sectorically, selling pressure was visible in realty, infrastructure, public sector, metals, power, auto finance and banking stocks. Reliance and HDFC Bank closed Monday's session more than 3% lower and were the biggest to drag on the Nifty 50. The Nifty PSU Bank Index, which plunged the most among sub-indexes, closed at down 9.26%, its worst day in more than a year. The Nifty Auto Index closed at down 5.11%. The Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers on Monday warned that pandemic had set back and already bruised the auto industry by many years. Pharma stocks saw limited losses today. Stock in news. Infosys share priced touched 52-week high of 1,480, rising over 2% in early trade on April 12th, after the IT company said it would consider a share buyback during the meeting on April 14th. Dr. Reddy's share jumped 7.56% in the last few minutes of trade after India approved the use of Russia's Sputnik V COVID-19 vaccine. Sputnik V is being marketed in India by Dr. Reddy's. Thanks for watching. For subscribing our channel, click the below link.